Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can center room insertion points in Revit. So they will be in the center of the room. So for example, you can see here I have my room insertion points which are like moved outside of the center of the room. This usually happens when you are modeling and changing your layout and the room insertion points are just like floating around with you. And this is the problem when you want to annotate automatically by tag all. If I go now with the tag all and with my room tags, it will automatically position the room tag in the place where the insertion point for the room is. So you can see, for example, here in this living room, it is placed in here and not in the center of the room where I would like to have it. And do this manually would be quite time consuming to move it and then like to tag it. So I have created a little script so you can do it automatically. So if we go to Manage Dynamo Player, you can see that I have a center room insertion points script in here, which will reposition all rooms inside of the active view. It is always in the active view only, to the center of the room. It doesn't work very well for oddly shaped rooms, but these ones you will have to adjust manually. So basically how it works is that you do not need any inputs, you just run it. And let's see what happens with the room insertion points. So if I press run, you can see that they all got centered inside of the room. You can see that, for example, in this room, it is not like exactly how we maybe wanted, but it's definitely better than before. So now if I go and use the tag all, my room tags, now you can see that they are placed much better. I will leave the link in the description of this video so you can download this script and use it for your own workflows.